Today, I will make one product and show you how to make a business out of it. I will explain every part of it, where I bought the material from, what is the cost, what skill do you need, and at the end, I will help you to establish the business by showing you all the information including the profitability. Today's business idea is to make a sandbag. Sandbags are mainly used for camera tripods, light stand, backdrops, archway, anchor for gazebos, patio umbrella, sports training, exercise, and many places. It has a specific demand in niche market. Fortunately or unfortunately, the price of the sandbag is always high. 4 pieces of sandbag, 20 lb capacity, sells minimum $25 in Amazon. Even in Alibaba, the minimum price of 4-piece sandbag is $14 plus shipment cost. So, opportunity is there. Let's see how we can make the sandbag with lowest effort. Then I'll explain the business part later on. I found a weather-resistant courier bag in Dollarama, a local dollar store, and it's very cheap. You can find the same product or similar product in other dollar stores like Dollar Tree or Dollar Power, even with lower price. Now we need one more thing, which is called nylon strap, which is also very cheap and readily available in fabric stores like Fabricland, Michaels, eBay, Amazon, pretty much everywhere. Now look at the picture diagram. The example of the sandbag is shown here. To make a sandbag, first locate the middle part of it and mark it. You have to make a loop around the bag with a strap and saw it. It is important to make an X mark when you saw the strap. Remember, only saw the back part of it. Just leave the gap for the zipper area. Saw both part of the bag, but only back side, the strap should be sawn. I'll explain in demo more about it. Now I have the bag in my hand. I marked middle part of it and started sewing it. When I saw the first part of the strap, I left rest of the strap outside. After finishing the first part of the loop, I started the second part. At this moment, I have reversed back the strap to avoid sewing the back part of the strap. That's it. We're done. We just made professional grade sandbag. For demonstration purpose, I used the rice instead of sand because I didn't have the sand. Now let's concentrate on the business side. Our total cost with shipment is now $11.50. I found the minimum price for 4 pieces combo is $25.99 in Amazon. But we want to price it low so that we can sell more. Let's target $22 as a selling price. So 22 minus 11.5 is $10.5. That's our profit. I didn't check the wholesale price for this item. If your business grows, you can buy everything from wholesale market and reduce the cost and maximize the profit. Now look at the business case. We have 4 scenarios. In worst case, if you sell 20 pieces of the product in a month, you can make $210 monthly profit by spending only 3 to 4 hours monthly. It will be $2,500 in a year. In best cases, if you sell like 500 pieces monthly, you can earn like $63K yearly. For this model, we make a combo, but to maximize the profit, we can sell it individually. In that case, we're not selling in Amazon FBA. But if you want to do everything by yourself, like all shipment by yourself, honestly, this would be a lot for you, but you can make up to $125K by this single product. This product is very light and you can post it through regular mail post. I actually put a single bag inside an envelope just to show you that how it's possible to send it through a regular mail. The cost for the regular mail is $2. As we're selling items individually, no one is selling sandbag individually, so you have a monopoly market over there. We can price a little bit higher for that. If we target our price like $9, margin becomes like 300% profit margin for this product. But you have to spend double amount of hours for that because you have to ship manually for that particular customer, whoever orders that. However, I didn't consider the negative influences like return, damage, skill set you need, because any business or any job you have, you might have these things in your plate. I myself saw for the first time in my life, just to demonstrate that you can establish that business and you can do it. Hope this live demo helped you to establish a niche business. Don't think much, just try it. If you want your freedom, business is the only way to go. Wait for the next business venture. Till then, stay healthy. Remember, I show you how to do this, so it's not impossible to do. Take care.